I welcome all of you guys in the lesson number 10 for grade 2 mathematics. Uh, we were completing the question number 1, 2, 3 from the topic of comparing and ordering the numbers. Now you are able to compare and order the numbers. You are able to identify from the 3-digit number that which is bigger, which is smaller. You can use the sign greater than sign or less than sign, where to open the mouth of that sign and where should be the end of that sign. You have learned that whenever you are comparing the 3-digit numbers, so you always have to compare the hundreds first. Then you will have to compare, if the hundreds are same, then you will have to compare the tens. And if the tens are also same, then you will have to compare the ones. If you compare the 100, so the number you will find bigger, the 100, the number you will find the bigger on the 100 place, that's mean that number is bigger. For example, here 271 and 284, so two same, but on the tens, 8 is bigger than 7. That's why you use this sign. You open the mouth of this sign in front of 284 as 284 is greater than 271. Same here, guys. We completed question number 2 and question number 3 also. In question number 1, we only had to use the sign for greater than or less than. But in question number 2 and question number 3, we have to arrange this from smallest to largest or largest to smallest. So 244, 309 and 182, we have to arrange it from smallest to largest. So this is 200, 300 and 100. So 100 is smaller than 2 and 3 also. So you write 100 first, then 200 and then 300 value. Same here, guys. 485, 748 and 480. So 400 is less than 700 and there are two values with 400. So either you will write 485 first or 480 first. For that, you need to check out the tens. So you will check out the tens. It is 8 and it is 8. 8 is also same on the tens place. Then you will check out the ones and compare that ones. So 5 and 0. So obviously 0 is less than 5. So we'll write 480 first, then 485 and then 748. 748. This is how you arrange from smallest to largest. I told you guys, whenever you are arranging in the number order, you have to read the question first carefully. Either the question is asking you to arrange from smallest to largest, smallest to greatest, or from greatest to smallest, right? Question number 3 is similar, but they are asking you to arrange with the greatest to smallest. Here you have to arrange the greatest number first, the biggest number you have to write first, then smaller, and in the end you have to write the smallest. Method is same, procedure is same. What you have to do, guys, 673, 598, 679. 3-digit numbers are there, so you will have to compare the hundreds first. This is 600, this is 500, and this is 600. You compare the 100, 6 is bigger than 5. But you have two values with 600, 673 and 679. You compare the tens. This is 7 and this is 7. So on the tens, it is also same. Then you will compare the ones, 3 and 9. So 9 is bigger than 3. That's why you will write 679 first, then 673. And in the end, you will write 598, which is smaller than these two numbers. Same here, guys. 71, 235, 167. This is 200. This is 100. And there are 0, 100. So 2 is bigger than 1 and 0. So you will write 200 value first. Then you will write 100 value. Then you will write 71 in that end. So this is how you completed this. And we have also finished that work in our notebook, guys. We have finished writing question number 1, question number 2, and question number 3. I hope you have finished it, where you have to arrange from the smallest to largest, largest to smallest. So guys, in this topic, everything is clear to you?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
That's very good. That's very good. So today we are going to start a new topic, guys. That is more than and less than. More than and less than. This is the topic name. More than and less than. Let's read the question, what the question is saying. What number is 1 more than 186? Guys, you have to find out what number is 1 more than 186. Guys, for your knowledge, I would like to give you the information. Whenever you have to find out more than, that's mean you are talking about addition. That's mean you are talking about addition. Whenever you are talking about more than, that's mean you are talking about addition. So what number is 1 more than 186? This question can be answered by checking the number line. This is the number line, guys. Look, this is the number line. It is starting from 180 and you are counting in ones. 181, 182, 183, 184, 185, 186, 187, 188, 189, and 190. So first, you will check the number line. Okay. So the number in the number line, you are counting in ones. After every number, you add one in the ones. From 0, it is 1, it is 2, it is 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. Okay. So this is the number line. Now you have to check what is 1 more than 186. What is 1 more than 186? For that, what you will do, guys, you have to, when you have to find out 1 more than 186, so you will find out first 186. Where is 186 on that number line? This is 186. In order to find out one more, you will check after 186, which number is there. After 186, which number is there? So that is 187. Because you are finding one more, so in the number line, you will check after 186. In the number line, you will check after 186, which number is there. So what you have to find out, what number is 1 more than 186. So you will check where is 186 in the number line. This is, and after 186, what is the number? That is 187. So you will say, sir, 187 is actually 1 more than 186. Is it clear, guys?
Yes,
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 sir.
Yes,
Very good. I again repeat, guys, what you have to do, you have to find out what number is 1 more than 186. So you check out the number line, and the number line, you see the difference between two number is 1. That's mean you are counting in ones. And in 186, if you want to find out what is 1 more than 186, so you just have to check after 186 which number is there. So after 186, this is 187. Now, guys, we will talk about less than. What does less than mean? As more than refers to the addition, so less than refers to subtraction. Less than refers to subtraction. Whenever you talk about less than, that's mean we're talking about subtraction. Or we're talking about before. For more than, plus, after. For less than, subtraction, before. Subtraction or before. Okay. Look here. The second question is now, what number is 1 less than 186? Again, this is the number line. And this is 186. Now, because you have to find out 1 less. You have to find out 1 less. So you will not go forward. You will go now backward. Because you will find 1 less number before that number. So actually you have to find out what number is before 186. What number is before what number is before 186. For that, this is 186 and you will check out this is 185. This is 185. This is 185. So 185 is actually 1 less than 186. We can say 185 is 1 less than 186. Again, I repeat, guys, when you have to find out more than, you will check after. When you have to find out less than, so you will check before in the number. Okay. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. Now, guys, I am going to ask you some question and you are going to answer. Tell me what is one more than 183? Tell me what is one more than 183? Answer me in the chat box, guys. What is one more than 183? Okay, Taimullah. I will even ask the students over that, for that. Abdul Moid, very good. Waleem Salam, Abdul Moid. Muhammad Kashan, very good. Ahmad Al-Badi, Muaz, very good. Suleiman Tariq, very good. Suleiman Lugeli, very good. Muhammad Ali, very good. Umar Nizar, Muhammad Momin. What about other students? Muhammad Talha, Muhammad Mashti, Umar Mohsin, very good. Muhammad, very good. Taimullah, very good. I'm going to open your mic and you will tell me, guys. Yes, what is one more than 183?
184. 184. 184.
Very good. The answer is 184. Because in the number line, first you will find 183. This is 183. And because you have to find out one more, that's mean after 183, what will come? And that is 184. That is 184. That's very good. Okay, guys. Now, if I ask you, what is 1 less than 183? What is 1 less than 183? If I ask you this, tell me the answers in the chat box. What is 1 less than 183? Muhammad Momin, very good. Muhammad Mashdi, very good. Muhammad Kashan, very good. Sam Samir, very good. Ahmad Al-Badi, very good. Umar Nizar, very good. Suleiman Tariq, very good. Suleiman Lugeli, very good. Abdul Muid, very good. Taimullah, very good. Yusuf Al-Mahmoud, very good. Muhammad Ali, very good. That's very good. So what is the answer, guys? What is 1 less than 183?
182.
That's very good. That's very good. 182. 182. That's very good. How do you know, guys, 182? In the number line, you will find 183 first. Because now you are interested in finding out less than. So you will not go after. You will go before. This is before. What is the number before 183? That is 182. So that is the answer, 182. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. let's come to the page number 17, guys. Let's come to the page number 17. Now, the question is, what number is 10 more than 240? So guys, what I will do first, I will check out the number line first. This is 200, then 210, then 220, then 230, 240, 250. So here we are not counting in ones. If we are counting in ones, so after 200, it should be 201, then 202. It is not like that. After 200, it is 210. That's mean 200 plus 10 equals to 210. Then 210 plus 10, 220. So after each number, there is a difference of 10 number, right? What you have to do, you have to find out what number is 10 more than 240. As in the number line, there is already a difference of 10 number. So you will follow the same procedure, same method, same technique. We will find out the 240 first. This is 240. And for 10 more, you will check what number is exactly after 240. That is 250. So this is your answer. This is your answer. 250 is your answer because 250 is exactly after 240. Or guys, you can do one more thing. As I told you, more than means plus. More than means plus. So in 240, if you add 10, in 240, if you add 10, so in that way, you can also find out what is 10 more than 240. Look, 0 plus 0, 0. 1 plus 4, 5. And 2 plus 0, 2. So this is 250. So 250 is the answer. So in order to find out what is 10 more than 240, you can check the number line. And in the number line, you can check the number which is exactly after 240, that is 250. Or you can use the addition method and you can find out that it is 250, which is 10 more than 240. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. So guys, same here. If I ask you what is 200, what is 10 more than 260, so you will say sir 270. What is 10 more than 280? You will say sir it is 290. What is 10 more than 200? You will say sir it is 210. Okay. So if you are checking with the number line, then you have to check the number exactly after that number. Or if you are doing by addition, so you will write the number and you will add 10. Guys, I tell you one more method to do the addition. What you are adding actually 10. Okay. So this is 0. Ones are 0. That's mean you don't need to add ones. So check out the tens place in 240. Look, this is 240. This is 240. And this is 10. So in 10, ones are exactly 0. Only you are going to add 1 on the tens. So 4 plus 1, 5. Keep this 2 same. Just add 1 on the tens. Make it 5. And it will be like this. 240, 50. Just add 1 on this 4. Because you are adding 10. This is 0 ones. Only add this. 100 value will be say 100. 200 will be same. 0 ones will be same. Only you will have to add 1 on the tens. Because you are adding 10. 110 in it. Same here if it is 260. You are adding 110 in 260. So how many tens? 6 tens. If you add one more 10, so 6 plus 1, 7. It will become 270. Clear, guys?
yourself, for yourself.
Yes.
That's very good. So guys, now you know how to find out 10 more than as well. In order to find out 10 more, what you will do, either you will add or you will check the number line exactly what number is there after 240, and in that way you can find out the answer. Now I'm going to ask you, tell me the number which is 10 more than 280. Tell me the number which is 10 more than 280. Yes, guys. Tell me the number which is 10 more than 280. Answer me in the chat box, please. Yusuf, very good. Muhammad Mashti, very good. Umar Nizar, very good. Suleiman Tariq, very good. Muhammad Ali, very good. Ahmad Al Badi, very good. Other students, please answer. What is 10 more than 280? Muhammad Momin, very good. Yes, guys, what is 10 more than 280?
290. 209.
That's very good. 290. 10 more than 280 is 290. That is very good. Same here, guys. If we talk about what number is 10 less than 240. So as previous, in we were doing in page number 16 for more than one or less than one, we will do same. For less than means minus or before, we will go for in the number line, checking before the number. So where is 240? What number is 10 less than 240? So this is 240. Because you have to find out 10 less, so you will go and check the number which is exactly before 240, and that number is 230. That number is 230. So 230 is the answer. What number is 10 less than 240? That is 230. How do you know? Because in the number line, you check what number is before 240. So that is 230. Another method, guys, as I told you, less than refers, less than means minus. Less than means minus. So you can do subtraction as well. You can write 240 minus 10. 0 minus 0, 0. 4 minus 1, 3. And 2 minus 0, 2. It is 230. So this is the answer. 230. If you want to find out the less number, you can check with the number line. For the in the number line, you will just check the number which is before 240. So that is 230. Or you can do the subtraction as well. By subtracting 10, you can also find the answer. Okay. Or as I told you, the easy method that you are going to minus 110 from 240. So just subtract 1 in that from the tens. This is 240. And you are subtracting 110. There is no ones, no hundreds. So just subtract 110. There are 4 tens. 4 minus 1 equals to 3. So 2, 3, and 0. 230 is the answer. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's very good. All right. Now you have to tell me what is 10 less than 280? What is 10 less than 280? What is 10 less than 280? Yes, guys, what is 10 less than 280? Yes, sir, very good. Suleiman Tariq, very good. Muhammad Ali, very good. Abdul Muid, very good. Omar Nizar, very good. Muhammad Momin, very good. What about other students? Muhammad Mashti, very good. Muhammad Kashan, why 180? We are not subtracting 100, Muhammad Kashan, okay? Ahmad Al-Wadi, no. You can check with the number line also, okay? This is the number line and this is 280. So if you want to know what is 10 less than 280, so just check the number before. This is 270. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Very good. Guys, if you have any questions, you can ask me right now before I go to more than 100 or less than 100. Do you have any question?
No, sir. No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No,
Very good. All right, guys. Now we will come to the next, that is, what number is 100 more than 758? What number is 100 more than 758? Guys, now if you check this number line, so in this number line, only hundreds value are getting increased. This 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And the tens and the ones, they all are same. Look, 5, 8, 5, 8, 5, 8. So these all are same in the number line. Only what is increased? The number which is on the hundreds, that is increased, right? So what you have to find out? You have to find out what number is 100 more than 758. So first you will find out 758. This is 758. Now you have to find out 100 more. So you already know that in the number line, there is 100 difference between two numbers. So what you will do, you will just check the number which is exactly after 100, after 758. That is 858. 858. So what is 100 more than 758? That is 858. How do you check from the number line? In the number line, you will check just after 758, what is the number? If that is 858, that's mean the answer is 858. Or, as I told you, more means, more refers to addition. If you want to check your answer, you can do addition as well. You can write 7, 5, 8, and then you can add 100. So 0 plus 8, 8, 5 plus 0, 5, and 7 plus 1, 8. So this will be 858. Okay. Or, as I told you, 758, so 5, 8 will be same. The value will be changed only in the hundreds. So you can just add 1 in the 100 place. This is 7. 7 plus 1 equals 2, 8. Then 58 will be same. Any method, in any way you can do it. Okay. It's up to you. What you have to do, you just have to find out what number is 100 more than 758. So 100 more than 758, you can check the number line and you can say, sir, it is 858. You can add 100 like this and you can say it is 858. Or if you know it, you can just directly add 1 in the hundreds. Because other two will be same when you add 100, because in 100 there is 0 1 0 10. That's mean you don't need to add the anything in the ones and anything in the tens. You just need to add 1 in the hundreds place. So it is 858. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now you have to tell me what is 100 more than 558. What is 100 more than 558? This is 558. Tell me the answer, please. What is 100 more than 558? Answer me in the chat box, guys. What is 100 more than 558? What is 100 more than 558? Yusuf, very good. What is 100 more than 558? Abdul Muhit, one mistake. Check out the ones. Umar Nizar, very good. Muhammad Mashdi, very good. Muhammad Momin, very good. Yes, guys. What about other students? Umar Mohsen, I am asking what is 100 more than 558? Your answer is wrong, Umar Mohsen. Muhammad Kashan, very good. Exactly, Abdul Muhid, this is the correct answer. Ahmad Al-Badi, very good. Muhammad Ali, very good. I'm going to open your mic and you will tell me. Yes, guys, what is 100 more than 558?
658.
So we don't.
It's 658. 600.
Very good. 658 is the correct answer because after 558 in the number line, you will find the number that is 658. Or if you add 100, so you can see just add 1 in 5. 5 plus 1, 6, and this will be same. Now, guys, again, what number is 100 less than 758? So, technique will be same. What you have to find out, guys, now? Now you have to find out what is 100 less than 758. So, for more, you will go after the number in the number line. But for less, you will always check the number which is before, right? So, where is 758? This is 758. You have to find out the less than. So you will go exactly what number is before 758. That is 658. So 658 is 100 less than 758. Again, I repeat, guys. You have to find out 100 less. So 100 less, in order to find out 100 less, you will check 758. You will check the number which is exactly before 758. So that is 658. Or another way, as I told you, that less than refers to subtraction. Less than refers to subtraction. So you can find out the answer by doing subtraction. 8 minus 0, 8. 5 minus 0, 5. And 7 minus 1, 7 minus 1 equals to 6. This is 658. Is it clear, guys?
Yes.
Sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
That's right. Good. Now, guys, you have to tell me what is 100 less than 558. What is 100 less than 558? What is 100 less than 558? This is you have to answer me, guys. What is 100 less than 558? Ahmad Al-Wadi, very good. Abdul Muid, no. What is 100 less than 558? Ahmad Al-Badi, very good. Suleiman Tariq, very good. Yusuf, very good. Muhammad Ali, very good. Umar Nizar, very good. Muhammad Kashan, very good. Exactly, Abdul Muid. Muhammad Talha, very good. Suleiman Al-Gheli, very good. I'm going to open your mic and you will tell me. Yes, guys, what is 100 less than 558?
458.
458.
40, sir. 40.
48.
Very good. The answer is 458. How do you know? Because in the number line, the number which is exactly before 558, that is 458. Even if you minus 558, if you minus 100 from 558, so you will see 5 minus 1, 4, and 8 and 0, 5 and 8 will be same. So this is 458. The answer is 458. So today you learn about 1 more than, 1 less than, 100 more than, 100 less than, 10 more than, and 10 less than. Everything is clear to you guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
That's very good. In the next class, we will also learn about before, after, and between. You know about what is before, what is after, and also we will learn about the between in the number line. Okay, guys. So you have only 1 minute is left. Inshallah, in the next class, we will study about before, after, and between as well. And we will practice for some more than and less than questions. Then we have a topic, skip counting in ones, skip counting in twos, threes, fours, and we will learn about that. Okay, guys. If you did not understand anything, you can ask, you can write your questions, and in the next class, you can ask with me. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, students, our class time is finished. Inshallah, I'll meet you in the next class. Have a very nice weekend. Take care. Bye bye.
Bye bye, sir. Bye bye, sir. Bye bye, sir.
Bye,
Bye bye. Bye bye.
sir.